Hi, is it okay if I join you here?
Sure, please sit down.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. Just relaxing.
Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, Canada.
Do you live here now?
Yes, I moved here last year.
What do you do for work?
I'm a web designer.
That sounds cool. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, it's creative and fun.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Once or twice a week.
What's the best thing about this city?
The parks and friendly people.
Do you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, especially lattes.
How long have you been learning English?
About 3 years now.
You speak really well. Do you practice a lot?
Thanks. I try to talk daily.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I enjoy hiking with friends.
Have you traveled abroad before?
Yes, I visited Italy last summer.
Oh, nice. What was Italy like?
Beautiful architecture and tasty food.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a cat named Luna.
That's cute. Does Luna like to play?
She loves chasing laser pointers.
What's the weather like today?
Sunny, but a bit chilly.
Thanks for chatting. Can we talk again?
Definitely, it was fun.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Where were you born?
I was born in Sao Paulo, Brazil.
Do you still live there?
No, I live in London now.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one younger sister.
Are you close with her?
Very close. We talk every day.
What's your job?
I'm a chef at a local restaurant.
Do you like cooking at home too?
Yes, I love making pasta dishes.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting watercolors.
That's artistic. What do you paint?
Mostly landscapes and flowers.
Do you play any sports?
I play volleyball on weekends.
Are you on a team?
No, just casual games with friends.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm into classical and jazz.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite food?
I love tacos. So flavorful.
Do you cook tacos yourself?
Sometimes, but I prefer eating out.
Are you married?
No, but I'm engaged.
Congratulations! When's the wedding?
Next spring. We're excited.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, Portuguese and a bit of French.
How did you learn French?
Through online courses and practice.
What's your favorite book?
The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
Why do you like it?
It's inspiring and full of wisdom.
Do you enjoy movies?
Yes, especially adventure films.
What's a movie you recommend?
The Secret Life of Walter Mitty.
Do you like to travel?
Love it. I've been to 10 countries.
What's your favorite destination?
New Zealand. The scenery is unreal.
Do you prefer city or countryside?
Countryside for peace and quiet.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I love early mornings.
What's your favorite season?
Autumn. The colors are beautiful.
Do you have any special talents?
I'm good at storytelling.
That's cool. Do you write stories?
Sometimes, mostly for fun.
What's something you're proud of?
Learning English fluently.
Can you tell me where the supermarket is?
It's 3 blocks east, near the bank.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure. 3 blocks east, by the bank.
Thanks. I'm not good with directions.
No problem, I can show you.
What time does the supermarket close?
At 9 p.m.
Great, I have time. Can you speak slower?
Of course, I'll slow down.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a photographer.
What kind of photos do you take?
Mostly portraits and events.
I'd like to buy a coffee. Any suggestions?
Try the cappuccino, it's excellent.
Hot or iced?
Hot, it's cozier.
I'm running late for a meeting.
Don't worry, you'll make it.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Go ahead, what is it?
Where's a good place to eat nearby?
There's a great Italian restaurant nearby.
What's their best dish?
Their lasagna is amazing.
Do you enjoy eating out?
Yes, it's a nice treat.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
Indian, I love spicy flavors.
I'm learning English. Any tips?
Watch movies with subtitles, it helps.
That's a good idea. Thanks.
You're welcome, keep practicing.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I like going to art galleries.
Any exhibitions you recommend?
There's a modern art show downtown.
Can you help me with this bag?
Sure, let me carry it.
Thanks, you're so kind.
No trouble at all.
Do you know the bus schedule?
Buses run every 15 minutes.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
Just around the corner.
I don't understand the map.
Let me explain it again.
What's a fun place to visit here?
The botanical garden is beautiful.
Do you go there often?
Once a month. It's relaxing.
Can we meet again to chat?
Sure, I'd love that.
It was great talking to you.
Same here. See you soon.
Have a wonderful evening.
Thanks, you too.
Let's stay in touch.
Definitely. Here's my number.
How are you feeling today?
I'm really happy. It's a sunny day.
Why are you so cheerful?
I got a promotion at work.
That's awesome. Are you excited?
Super excited, but a bit nervous too.
Why nervous?
More responsibilities now.
You'll do great. Feeling tired at all?
A little long week.
I'm feeling stressed about a test.
I get it. Try studying in small chunks.
That's a good advice. Ever feel anxious?
Sometimes before big events.
What do you do to relax?
Listen to music or take a walk.
I was so embarrassed yesterday.
Oh, what happened?
I tripped in front of everyone.
It happens. Don't worry.
I'm thrilled about my new painting.
I can't wait to see it. Great job.
Thanks for being supportive.
Always here for you.
That movie was hilarious.
Right? I couldn't stop laughing.
I'm a bit confused about work.
Want to talk it through?
Yes, it's about a deadline.
Let's figure it out together.
Emotions are a roller coaster, huh?
Totally. But it keeps life exciting.
Can you help me with this box?
Sure, let me lift it.
Thanks, it's heavy.
No problem. Got it.
Could you write down the recipe?
Of course. Here you go.
You're so helpful. Thanks.
Happy to assist.
Can you explain this form?
Sure. Let's go through it.
I understand now. Thanks.
Glad I could clarify.
Sorry to trouble you.
No trouble at all.
Could you hold my bag for a sec?
Sure, I've got it.
I appreciate that.
Anytime.
Can you recommend a good movie?
Try Amelie. It's charming.
Sounds good. Can you send the title?
I'll text it to you.
I need directions to the museum.
It's straight ahead, then left.
Could you repeat that slower?
Straight, then left at the light.
Got it. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Can you take a photo for me?
Sure. Smile.
Perfect shot. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Can I borrow your pen?
Here you go.
I owe you one.
No worries. Keep it.
Can you check this email for me?
Looks good. Just fix one typo.
Thanks for the feedback.
Always happy to help.
I need to call a doctor.
Are you okay? I'll find one.
Where's the nearest clinic?
5 minutes away on Oak Street.
I feel really dizzy.
Sit down. I'll get water.
I have a bad stomach ache.
You should see a doctor soon.
Can you call an ambulance?
Right away. Stay calm.
I cut my finger. It's bleeding.
Clean it and I'll get a bandage.
Thanks for helping.
No problem. Glad you're okay.
I lost my credit card.
Call your bank to cancel it.
Good idea. Where's a phone?
Use mine. Here.
I'm having an allergic reaction.
What are you allergic to?
Nuts. I ate some by mistake.
We need a pharmacy. Let's go.
Where's the nearest pharmacy?
Across the street by the cafe.
I sprained my knee.
Rest it and keep it elevated.
I need help. There's a fire.
I'm calling the fire department.
I lost my keys.
Check with lost and found.
I'm feeling faint.
Lie down. I'll get help.
My head hurts a lot.
Try resting in a quiet place.
I need emergency contacts.
I'll find the numbers for you.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
Just want you to be safe.
Where's a hospital nearby?
There's one 10 minutes away.
What time is it now?
It's 3:15 p.m.
Do you have a meeting soon?
Yes, at 4 p.m.
I'm running a bit late.
No stress, you'll get there.
Can we reschedule our lunch?
Sure, how about tomorrow?
What time works for you?
Noon is perfect.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Great, see you soon.
When's the concert?
Friday at 8 p.m.
Let's set a reminder.
Smart, I'll do it.
I'm free this weekend.
Want to plan something?
How about a hike?
Love it, let's go.
Time to leave for class.
All right, catch you later.
Planning is tough sometimes.
Yeah, but we make it work.
Can you send me the Zoom link?
Sure, it's in your inbox now.
I'll email you the notes.
Thanks, I'll check them.
Can we do a Skype call?
Sounds good, I'll set it up.
I lost my phone charger.
Borrow mine, it's compatible.
My laptop's frozen.
Try restarting it.
Thanks, that worked.
Awesome, glad it's fixed.
Can you hear me on this call?
Yes, you're clear.
My internet is so slow.
Maybe reboot your router?
Good idea, I'll try.
Hope it speeds up.
Can you share your screen?
1 sec, it's loading.
I forgot my email password.
Click Reset Password Online.
I always forget logins.
Same, I write mine down.
Can you text me the address?
Sending it now.
My app keeps crashing.
Update it or reinstall?
Thanks for the tech help.
No problem, anytime.
Do you use social media?
Yes, mostly Instagram.
What's your username?
I'll DM it to you.
My battery's at 5%.
Plugging quick.
Can you recommend an app?
Try Duolingo for language practice.
I'll download it, thanks.
Let me know how it goes.
What's your job?
I'm a marketing analyst.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, but it's fast-paced.
What's the best part?
Creating ad campaigns?
Are you studying anything?
Yes, a course in digital marketing.
How's the course going?
Challenging, but exciting.
What's your dream job?
Owning my own agency.
That's ambitious. Work from home?
Sometimes it's flexible.
Do you have a busy schedule?
Very, especially month end.
What's your workplace like?
Modern and collaborative?
Do you work with a team?
Yes, a small creative team.
I'm studying graphic design.
Cool! What software do you use?
Adobe Photoshop mostly.
That's powerful! Keep practicing.
Any tips for job interviews?
Be confident and prepare questions.
What skills are important?
Communication and problem solving.
Do you like your boss?
She's supportive but strict.
What's your work goal this year?
To lead a big project.
Do you travel for work?
Occasionally for conferences.
I want to improve my English for work.
Practice presentations, it helps.
Good idea, thanks.
You'll nail it.
Work-life balance tough?
Sometimes, but I manage.
Do you love to travel?
Yes, it's my favorite thing.
Where have you been recently?
Japan, it was incredible.
What did you like most?
The temples and sushi.
Any travel tips?
Pack light and learn basic phrases.
Where's your next trip?
Planning for Peru.
Why Peru?
Machu Picchu looks amazing.
Do you prefer solo travel?
I like traveling with friends.
What's your favorite culture?
Italian for the food and history.
Ever tried Italian cooking?
Yes, I make pizza at home.
What's a must-visit city?
Barcelona, so vibrant.
Any festivals you've attended?
Carnival in Rio, so fun.
How do you plan trips?
I use travel apps and blogs.
Do you speak local languages?
I learn key phrases before going.
What's a cultural difference you noticed?
In Japan, people are very polite.
I'm nervous about traveling alone.
Start small. You'll love it.
Best souvenir you've bought?
A hand-woven scarf from Morocco.
Do you take lots of photos?
Yes, especially of scenery.
What's the best food you've tried?
Thai street food, so spicy.
Any travel mistakes to avoid?
Don't overpack or overschedule.
Thanks for the travel tips.
Happy to share. Enjoy your trips.